Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Skinny Tumbler lids are probably one of the most essential accessories for any tumbler owner, offering a perfect blend of functionality and style to enhance your drinking experience, ensuring your beverages stay secure and at the ideal temperature while preventing messy spills and drips, making them an indispensable addition to your daily routine. Number 5. STRATA Cups Multicolor Skinny Tumblers 16 ounces. Enjoy your cold drinks icy cold and your warm beverages perfectly hot for longer. Our double-walled tumblers regulate temperature, ensuring every sip is just right, without condensation rings. Choose from 12 fun pastel colors to suit your style or easily identify your drink. They're perfect for parties and a great way to keep track of your beverage. Our tumblers feature secure screw-top lids with a tight straw seal. While not completely spill-proof, they significantly reduce messes, keeping your carpets clean. Designed to prevent cracks and water seeping into the double walls, these cups are easy to clean by hand. A bonus straw cleaner is included to keep your straws spotless. With a comfortable grip, these tumblers are ideal for everyone, including children and those with arthritis. They hold 16 ounces of your favorite BPA-free beverage. What we like? These tumblers are designed to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. With a pack of 12 fun pastel colors, they are perfect for parties or family gatherings. If you are looking for a bulk set of colorful tumblers that offer good spill protection, these are a great choice. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my tumbler. It seals tightly and prevents spills. The straw hole is a good size and doesn't leak. Number 4. 20 ounces Skinny Tumbler Replacement Lids, 2-pack. Introducing our 2-pack of replacement lids for your 20 ounces Skinny Tumblers. These lids are designed to be spill-proof and splash-resistant, giving you peace of mind. Crafted from AS crystal clear plastic, these lids are BPA-free, reusable, sturdy, and durable. You can trust their non-toxic quality for everyday use. Designed specifically for 20 ounces skinny stainless steel tumblers with a mouth diameter of 2.8 inches. Please verify your tumbler size before purchasing. Featuring double sealing technology, our lids offer excellent leak-proof performance. They also provide good air tightness to keep your drinks at the desired temperature for longer. The convenient slider allows for easy opening and closing. The whole cover is designed to accommodate direct sipping or the use of your favorite straw. Please remember, these replacement lids are exclusively for 20 ounces skinny stainless steel tumblers. Double-check the dimensions shown in the product image for compatibility with other brands. What we like? This lid features a double sealing technology to prevent spills, making it ideal for hot beverages or travel. It's designed to fit specific 20 ounces skinny tumblers, ensuring a snug fit. If you need a reliable replacement lid that offers excellent spill resistance for your 20-ounce tumbler, this is the one to consider. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my tumbler, no leaks at all. Easy to clean and durable material. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. Number 3. KOODEE Silicone Bottom for Tumblers. Tired of scratches and slips? Introducing the ultimate protection for your favorite tumbler. Keep it looking new and prevent accidental spills with this essential accessory. Say goodbye to annoying slides and wobbles. Our specially designed silicone bottom provides a secure, non-slip grip on any surface. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your drink is stable. Crafted from high-quality, durable silicone, this mat is built to last. It's flexible, easy to clean, and designed to withstand daily use without losing its shape or grip. Designed specifically for 20 ounces skinny tumblers, it fits snugly and securely. This ensures maximum protection and stability for your beverage container. Elevate your drinking experience with this simple yet effective addition. It's the perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle, ensuring your tumbler stays put wherever you are. What we like? This accessory provides a non-slip base for your tumbler, preventing accidental slips and protecting surfaces from scratches. It's made of durable silicone for long-lasting use. If you're concerned about your tumbler sliding or damaging your furniture, adding this protective base is a smart move. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my tumbler, no leaks at all. Easy to clean and doesn't stain like my old lids. The sliding mechanism is smooth and keeps my drink hot for hours. Number 2. 12-ounce spill-proof wine tumbler lid, pack of 1. Ensure a perfect fit for your 12 ounces drinkware with a 2.94-inch inner rim. Check our compatibility chart for a tailored fit for your mug. The silicone gasket creates a tight seal, reducing leaks for more secure sipping. Replacement rings are available separately. Keep your table neat with this replacement lid. It helps reduce spills and splashes, protecting your dining surfaces. Remove the slider for thorough cleaning. This ensures every sip feels fresh and starts clean. Made from BPA-free, food-grade material, it's easy to use and reuse. It also helps maintain your drink's temperature. What we like. Specifically designed for 12-ounce wine mugs, this lid offers a secure fit and helps minimize leaks. The silicone gasket ensures a tight seal, keeping your drinks contained. If you have a 12-ounce wine tumbler and want a replacement lid that prioritizes spill resistance for a cleaner experience, this is your best bet. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my tumbler, no leaks at all. Easy to clean and durable material. The sliding mechanism is smooth and keeps my drink secure. Number 1. 20 ounces Skinny Tumbler Replacement Lids, 2-pack. Tired of spills and splashes? Introducing our replacement lids, designed to keep your drinks secure and your surfaces clean. Enjoy peace of mind with every sip. Specifically designed for your 20 ounces skinny tumblers, these lids ensure a snug and secure fit. They are compatible with cups featuring a 2.76-inch inner diameter, including popular brands like YETI Rambler. Crafted from transparent, BPA-free plastic, these lids are both environmentally friendly and safe for your health. They are built to last and are even dishwasher safe for your convenience. Our lids feature an easy open and close mechanism, allowing for direct sipping or the use of your favorite straw. Enjoy your beverages just the way you like them. The sliding hole cover not only prevents overflow but also helps to maintain the temperature of your beverage for longer. Keep your drinks hot or cold for extended periods. With a transparent design, you can easily check the seal status at any time. Ensure a perfect seal every time without any guesswork. What we like. This lid is designed to fit 20 ounces skinny tumblers and features a sliding cover to prevent overflows and maintain beverage temperature. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a convenient and durable replacement lid for your 20-ounce tumbler that offers both spill protection and easy maintenance, this option is highly recommended. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my tumbler. It doesn't leak, even when tipped over. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.